This is the second half of the pre-quiz 4 and 5. Is that right? So 27.4 meters per second, 57 degrees. Yeah? First thing you do, as soon as you get an angle magnitude vector, cosine sine? Yeah, there we go. Right, so we're going to take these guys. First, we're going to make sure that we are in degrees. In fact, I am. All right, so this component here and this component here. This one here is 27.4 cos 57. This is 27.4 sine 57. Which one's going to be bigger?
The sine.
Sine will be bigger. Better be bigger. We'll just check that. 14.923. Holy cow, it's bigger. I'll say it is. 22.97980. Yeah? Roughly? With 3 sig figs? Yeah, this side is bigger than this side, which is what we expect because that's a awkward angle, right? So that's the first question, right? What are the components? Second question, set up a horizontal vertical table, fill in those things and solve. Okay, where does stuff go?
22.980 goes.
22.980 is our vertical initial. And if we're talking about from here to here, what's the final? Negative 22.980. Very good. Minus 9.8. This guy's 0. This is 0. And then where does the 14.923 go? This is these guys, right? And then what's your favorite one for finding time in the air? VF is VI plus AT, yeah. Imagine not having that formula. I get 4.6897. It's going to go across. Right? And then to find the range, I'm going to go this guy times this guy. Okay, so find the horizontal distance the ball travels before it hits the ground. We found that. What's the ball's time in the air? We found that. What's the speed at the highest point? Well, at the highest point, it's going to have only a horizontal velocity because it has no vertical velocity. So it's going to be 14.923 at the top, right? What's the greatest height the ball reaches? That's different, right? We haven't calculated that yet. So how do we do that? We just have to do the vertical, right? This is from the ground to the top. And what can we use? Definitely we're going to use this, right? And then we can use our initial velocity, right? And then what's the trick for the top? This guy? Oh, I did this guy times this guy. Right? So I'm using V is x over t. That's all you ever use, right? So x is vt. So it's this guy times this guy. And then from the ground to the top, what can we say about the final velocity when we're at the top?
0.
Why is it 0? If it's not 0, it's not at the top, is it? It's top. The top is the top. Right? It's someone's birthday. It's Evan's. And then What's your favorite one for finding x? I would use no t. Do we have a no t?
Heck, no, we don't. Yeah, we got a
Vf squared is vi squared. Yeah? So therefore x is going to be vf squared minus vi squared over 2a. Is that what it is? Okay. 22.980 squared divided by 2 divided by 9.8. 26.9. Yeah? That's it?